Hello students, today I am going to talk about Pythagoras theorem for 10th standard. Today we are going to cover Pythagorean triplet, property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle, property of 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree triangle, similarity and right angle triangle, theorem of geometric mean. So let us start with Pythagorean triplet. In a triplet of natural number, if the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the square of remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called as Pythagorean triplet. जर दिलेल्या तीन संख्यांमध्ये म्हणजे त्रिकुटामधील मोठ्या संख्येचा वर्ग हा इतर दोन संख्यांच्या वर्गाच्या बेरजेएवढा असेल तर त्या संख्यांना पायथागोरसचे त्रिकूट म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16 and 5 square is equal to 25 and 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, that is the square of 5. म्हणजेच 3चा वर्ग 9, 4चा वर्ग 16, 9 आणि 16 25 होतात. 25 हा 5चा वर्ग आहे म्हणून 3, 4, 5 त्याला पायथागोरसचं त्रिकूट असं म्हणतात. व्हेरीफाय दॅट 11, 16 and 61 and 5, 12, 13 are also Pythagorean triplet. Now we are going to study the property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. In the acute angle of right angle triangle are 30 degree and 60 degree, then side opposite 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse and side opposite to 60 degree is square root 3 upon 2 times of the hypotenuse. See triangle LMN. In triangle LMN, angle L is 30 degree, angle N is 60 degree and angle M is 90 degree. The side opposite to 30 degree angle is MN is equal to 1/2 into LN. Side opposite 60 degree angle is LM is equal to square root 3 upon 2 into LN. म्हणजेच 30, 60, 90 अंश मापाच्या त्रिकोणामध्ये 30 कोणासमोरील बाजू ही कर्णाच्या निम्मी असते तर 60 अंश कोणासमोरील बाजू ही कर्णाच्या वर्गमुळात 3/2 पट असते. त्रिकोण LMN मध्ये 30 मापासमोरची बाजू MN आहे, ही कर्णाच्या निम्मी म्हणजेच 1/2 LN आणि 60 कोणासमोरील बाजू ही LM आहे म्हणजेच कर्णाच्या वर्गमुळात 3/2 पट म्हणजेच LM is equal to वर्गमुळात 3/2 गुणिले LN. Now example of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. In triangle PSR, find SR and PS using the information given in figure. Observe the figure. Hypotenuse PR is equal to given 12 and to find out SR and SP. Hypotenuse PR is equal to 12, then side opposite to 30 degree is SR. SR is equal to 1/2 PR, that is 1/2 into 12 is equal to 6. SR is equal to 6 and side opposite to 60 degree is PS. PS is equal to square root 3 upon 2 into PR. Square root 3 upon 2 into 12 is equal to 6 square root 3. म्हणजे हे 30, 60, 90 मापाच्या त्रिकोणाच्या मापाचे एक उदाहरण दिलेलं आहे की कर्ण जर 12 असेल तर 30 मापासमोरची बाजू कर्णाच्या निम्मी म्हणजे SR कर्णाच्या निम्मी म्हणजे 6 आणि PS ही कर्णाच्या वर्गमुळात 3/2 पट आहे म्हणून PS is equal to 6 square root 3. Now let us study the property of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. If acute angle of right angle triangle are 45 degree and 45 degree, the each of perpendicular side is 1 upon square root times square root 2 times of the hypotenuse. 45 45 90 अंश मापाच्या त्रिकोणामध्ये 45 अंश कोणासमोरील बाजू ही कर्णाच्या 1/वर्गमुळात 2 पट असते. त्यानुसार पहा आकृती XYZ मध्ये अँगल X is equal to 90 degree, angle Y is equal to 45 degree, angle Z is equal to 45 degree. XY congruent XZ. Therefore, XY is equal to 1 upon square root 2 into ZY. XZ is equal to 1 upon square root 2 into ZY. That is, XY is equal to XZ is equal to 1 upon root 2 into XZ. Now let us learn the example of 45, 45, 90 degree triangles property. For finding AB and BC with the help of given information in figure. Observe the figure. Angle B is 90 degree. AC is the hypotenuse. The length of AC is given square root 8. Now to find AB and BC. AB is equal to BC. Therefore, angle BAC congruent angle ACB, that is 45 degree. Therefore, AB is equal to BC by using formula 1/2 square root 2 into AC is equal to 1/2 square root 2 into square root 8, that is equal to 1 upon square root 2 into 2 square root 2. The answer is 2. Now let us learn similarity and right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, if the altitudes is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two right angle triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and each other. काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये कर्णावर काढलेल्या लंबामुळे त्याचे दोन त्रिकोण तयार होतात. ते दोन त्रिकोण मूळ काटकोन त्रिकोणाशी समरूप असतात, तसेच ते एकमेकांशी सुद्धा समरूप असतात. Now to study the proof of this theorem, triangle ABC is a given triangle. Given in triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree and segment BD perpendicular to the segment AC. Now prove that triangle ADB similar triangle ABC, triangle BDC similar triangle ABC, and triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. Proof. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle DAB congruent angle BAC common angle, angle ADB congruent angle ABC each 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ADB similar triangle ABC by AA test. Now, in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, angle BCD congruent angle ACB common angle, angle BDC congruent angle ABC each 90 degree. Therefore, triangle BDC similar triangle ABC by AA test. Therefore, triangle ADB similar triangle BDC from first, second and third statement, and from first, second and third segment, we can prove that triangle ADB similar triangle BDC similar triangle ABC, that is called as transitivity. पहा, त्रिकोण ADB आणि त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये कोको कसोटीने दोन त्रिकोण एकरूप आहेत. त्रिकोण ADB आणि त्रिकोण ABC हे कोको कसोटीने समरूप आहे. तसेच त्रिकोण BDC व ABC हे सुद्धा कोको कसोटीने समरूप आहे. म्हणजेच त्रिकोण ADB समरूप त्रिकोण BDC. म्हणून त्रिकोण ADB समरूप त्रिकोण BDC समरूप त्रिकोण ADC. Now let us learn theorem of geometric mean. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. म्हणजेच काय तर काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये कर्णावर काढलेला लंब हा QS हा PS आणि SR चा भूमितीय मध्य आहे. प्रमेयानुसार QS square is equal to PS into SR. See in the figure, angle Q is equal to 90-degree angle. QS is perpendicular PR. Now to prove in right angle triangle PQR, segment QS perpendicular hypotenuse PR. Therefore, triangle QSR similar triangle PSQ. Similarity of right triangles. Therefore, QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ because proportional sides of the similar triangle. Now by cross multiplication we get QS square is equal to PS into SR. That is, the segment QS is the geometric mean of segment PS and SR. Now let us study the example. In triangle MNP, the angle MNP is the 90-degree angle. Segment NQ perpendicular MP. MQ is 9 and QP is 4. Then find the value of NQ. Solution. By using formula of geometric mean, we can write down NQ square is equal to MQ into QP. NQ square is equal to 9 into 4. By putting the values is equal to 36. Now by taking the square root, NQ is equal to 6. Thank you.